today we are going to show all of you MICRO DYNAMICS HMI, MICRO DYNAMICS functions, how easy and simple and user-friendly is to use our machine with the software we have for measure the tools, automatic and manual measure tools. Hello everyone, I'm Oriol from MICRO DYNAMICS. I'm Paul, and today we are going to show in this video all MICRO DYNAMICS features like the MICRO DYNAMICS HMI basically, and how easy it is to use MICRO DYNAMICS mega Turing machines. And after we use all the HMI functions and we make a little bit program, we will also talk a little bit about thermal compensation and some other function. Okay, we are going to machine one simple part. Okay, we'll have the blank that Paul has here, and we are going to do these simple operations. Maybe Paul, you can explain what we are going to do.
First, we're gonna face mill all the parts. Second, with the same tool, we're gonna cut the contour. Third operation, we're gonna cut circular pocket, square pocket. Then we're gonna drill and tap those 6 holes and drill those 4 holes around square pocket.
And the beauty is that we are going to do all this only with MICRO DYNAMICS HMI. This is the operator panel. All the Mega Terra series are equipped with this operator panel. This is a 19-inch monitor. This is an optional that we have in this video. This screen is the micro mill, and we have other functions for the MICRO DYNAMICS HMI. We have all the buttons here in the operator panel. Like this is, Pablo, please.
Workpiece measurement, and you can choose manual one or automatic one. Then tool measurement, also you can choose manual or automatic one. Tool magazine.
In this case, the tool magazine has 30 tools because it's a Mega 30B. This machine is a standard with a 30 tools magazine. All the other Mega 4TB, Mega 20B APC 5-axis machines standard are with 40 tools, so they will have 40 tools here. Let's start with the tool magazine. Okay, the tool magazine, as we say, 30 tools here. We have tool number 1 in the spindle, and for change the tool, we have very quick access, like just one click here, choose the button. We see, we change tool. Now we have tool number 2 in the spindle. What we can do here, for example, let's say this tool number 2 is a heavy tool. Just we choose it, we mark heavy tool, we apply it, and when we change it again, it's going to reduce the speed. Let's see, let's call tool number 3. It's slower because it's a big tool. Now we have tool number 3 now. What we are going to do is super slow change. Like we have the turtle here, super slow change in this tool. Okay, we can see now, like it's changing very slow. Okay. We also have another function which is for oversized tool. Like for example, Paul choose
Tool number 7, oversized tool. Apply, and it's gonna
automatically blocks the adjacent pots, okay, from the big tip. Let's reset all this, please. Let's put everything to normal again, because the tools that we are going to use today, we don't need any of this function. I'm going to take a moment. This machine is equipped with automatic magazine door. We're going to see it one moment. We're going to change one tool again. All HMI functions in the menu, we have this arrow up and this arrow on the side. Okay, if I press the arrow sides, okay, it will show me the other buttons. And here we have for go to the other menus inside the same tool magazine. In the tool magazine, we are going to our tool list, okay, and we have the tool, the pot, and here we can even write the tool that we are going to use. In our case, tool number 1 is going to be
face mill 50. Second tool is end mill diameter 8. The next one is drill diameter 3. Next one is drill diameter 5. Next one is tap M6. And that's all the tools that we're gonna need to produce our part. And now we load all the tools. These are the 5 tools. The first one, face mill. Then I'm using our HMI function to change the tool. Right now, I'm gonna measure all the tools I loaded before. I'm gonna go to our automatic tool measurement mode. I'm gonna press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my first tool was a face mill, so I need to tooth diameter shift here. Goes to MDI. My knobs are all like it should be. I'm gonna switch my mode to MDI, and I'm pressing cycle start. Machine will go and measure all the tools. Right now, machine stop for me to set the orientation of the tool. I press set orient, cycle start, and it's gonna go again.
Okay. Time to load the part and measure the part now. Pavel is going to load the part. For measure the part, we are going to use MICRO DYNAMICS HMI work measure. We are going to use this 100 millimeters hard probe, okay? And we will have to load it. One thing that we have change tool here, okay? We have change tool also in the tool magazine. We have change tool also in the micro mill. So it's very easy to find any place for change the tool. Okay, we are going to change tool number 30. Okay, Pavel, you mind? This is a 100 millimeters, so we can set up the length here. So this is going to be our tool for measure the part. Go back to the function for measure the part. It's we have here the menus, and here is we have manual, or in this case we are going to go auto XY axis. So we are going to do a rectangle. First, we are going to move it at the position like close to the part. We are going to set up the offsets for measure. According to the distance, okay, how much are we going to put here, Fallon?
Here, 0. Here is the shift that machine will move the tool 10 millimeters diameter plus 5 of clearance, so in total 15. Then it's gonna go 5 millimeters down in Z axis, and then it's gonna measure our workpiece.
Perfect. Okay, we have here, and then we need to pick up the corner. So we are going, our 0 point is this corner. Machine is going to do it automatically. Let's see.
Run to MDI. Let's choose our work offset. It's 54. Let's check everything is okay. Let's put machine into MDI mode. We can press the cycle start.
Okay, we have it here. We have the X and Y G54 on the work offset table. And now we have to measure the Z. Okay, for measure the Z, again, we go to the other menu.
Automatic in Z axis. It's gonna go 12 millimeters from our position right now. Run to MDI, 54, cycle start. It's already measured.
Now we have our work offset. We have all the tools measured. It's time to make the program. For make the program, we are going to use the micromill HMI function. It's the software developed by MICRO DYNAMICS to easy generate G code. Now we are going to do our first step, which is a face mill. Okay, first of all, we are going to change our position, which is G54. We calculate before. We have tool number 1. Okay, we have everything set up here. It's the face mill. We write it before. Okay, now we are going to choose mill, face mill in the x-axis. Okay, the starting position. the total length of the part, the tool diameter that is 50, the overlap, and for calculate the RPM, we have a automatic calculator. We got fast aluminum, and then we update the values. Then we are going to choose air, and I think we can pause this step. Okay, and we can see it here. We have first one. Okay, when we post it, we can either post it in MDI for make one single function. In this case, we are posting in the hard drive by step. Now we are going to do step number 2. Okay, step number 2, we are going to cut the profile. Profile in the step, we should mill profile, and we need to insert the points. So it is going to be point number 1, and we are going -10 in the Z.
I set up Z here.
Point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, point number 5. This is the circle with the radius. And the last one, which is for finish. Then we post it again. We post it as a second step, and we can see. So we have the 3D graph that is showing the first step, and then the second step with the profile. Let's go for the third one. We are going to insert one more step. We need to change the tool. It's tool number 2, okay? And we are going to make this pocket, okay? So mill, pocket, okay? Checking the drawing, the position of the center, the radius, the Z start and the Z finish, the tool diameter that it was 8 millimeter, again, the cutting edges, which is the material. We post a step, third step. So now we have 3. Let's see it again. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Let's go for the next one. Okay, it's the same. G54, tool number 2. Okay, we need to find the position. And this is a frame pocket. So inserting the angle because it has some position. We have it here. Let's see if we can even make it a little bit bigger. Yes. Here we have again all the steps. So good. Okay. Let's go for step 5. Step 5, we are going to do this small drill. We are going to call tool number 3. Okay. Drill. We are going to set up the position. Is drill in a frame. Okay, it's a frame with 2 by 2. Once we have the position, the number of folds, the angle, because it has a little bit of like a 45 degrees angle. Okay, the depth and the tool diameter, 3 millimeters. The material, again, aluminum. We're going to sew. We post it, and when we play it, we will see after the 2 pockets, pocket 1, pocket 2, and then the 4 drills, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go a little bit faster. We are missing the last 2 steps. Okay, step number 6, which is going to be the big drill. Step number 7, that is going to be tap the same holes after the drill. Okay, is hole, drill, circle, because they are in circle, the position of the center. 6, the radius, the distance, the depth, the material again, and how fast we just post it, okay, as another step, and we will see it at the end, okay, after all, so we can continue monitoring our program. Drill 1, and drill tool. The last one, because it's tap, we change the tool, but basically the position is the same. So we only change step, okay, the depth, and we will have the last step. So here, the material,
Kitch on the thread, update.
positive, okay, so we have all the steps, 7 steps, and all the program here that we can see. So easy, time to machine it. Okay, in our control, okay, we already have the program here, micro mill. Okay, we can even edit it, and we can see all the G code generated with our micro mill. Okay, so now I think we can just go cycle stop. Let's see the par. So, hey,
There you go.
not bad, eh? We did it pretty fast, eh? We're still going to show you some more features from MICRO DYNAMICS HMI. Okay, here I have our menu. We saw the magazine, the measures. We go to the file manager. In the file manager, we have the memories, the hard drive, and this is our micro mill program that we just generate. If I want to copy to my USB front socket, I just choose it, copy it, go to the USB. Okay, I have a folder here. I'm going to put it here in the main, paste it, and I have it here. So now I also transfer the files easily. What else do we have? We go here, we have 1 of 3. Okay, we have the ATC Recovery function. It's a standard in all MICRO DYNAMICS machines. If we have a stop in the arm, okay. We have all the Renishaw cycles, okay, standard if we have a Renishaw prop that we need to use. We also have all the user manuals, okay, here Mega Terra series user manuals, the HMI that we were using now, okay, how to, like all the functions, like how to use all the HMI. If we put here, for example, drill that we were doing before, okay, it gives us 6. So how to use micro mill, how to use the drill, everything is explained here. We have all the parameters in case we need to change any parameters or we have to change the language here, anything very easy to find. We have here all the system info, okay, the HMI version, how to make a backup, okay, to make the backup or restore, or if we want to backup in the USB or in the hard drive. Very easy to make a backup or very easy to update. Okay, we do updates frequently when needed. Okay, for finish, we're going to use to show all machines are standard with thermal compensation. There are other videos for talk about thermal compensation. We will shoot more videos in the following days. Okay, and the machines has the tune for the
Rapid tool change.
for the tool changer and have collision detection. That we will also talk about this in other videos. We hope you enjoyed this video. You have a better idea about what's microdynamics, how easy it's to use, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Thank you so much for viewing.